part 11B. In this video I wanted to actually show my back tap tool in action. So I'm showing you how it works. So I've already smeared grease. Well, first of all, I've got the tool in a vice grip to clamp the two ends of the bolt together so it compresses it and collapses it. And I have to use the penny because otherwise the vice grips will hit the head of the bolt. So anyway, at this point I'm fixing to put this, and also coated the tip with grease to catch the chips. So I'm about to put it in the, this will be my 5th hole that I'm making repair to. So let's see how it works. So I can't go too deep with the tool because the pliers are starting to hit the edge of the head. But as long as I get it down to where it starts grabbing some threads, that's all it needs. Right about there so I can feel it. So when I get it to the side right here, I'm going to pop it loose. Alright, so now it's loose. Get the penny out of the way. And now I'm going to twist it in by hand the rest of the way, if I can. So I can feel it engaging with some threads down in there. There it goes. So it's engaged with the threads that are down in the hole, past the damaged threads. And when I get a little further down, it'll get real easy. Right now, the bolt is still in a sort of compressed state, so that's why it's able to spin down in there. There it goes. Now it's free. So now I'm in the good threads now. So I got past the damaged threads at the top, and it's pretty far down in there. So now I'm going to back it out. But before I back it out, I'll put the pin in the hole. If I can find it. Leave it over here on the table. So I take this rivet pin and put it down in the tool and shove it down there with my finger. And then as I back it out, it's going to clean those threads up. It'll get tight a little second, start to get tight there. So just keep on turning and it's going to clean the threads out. I'm going to have to use pliers on that now. Not a lot of force, but it's more force than I can do with my fingers. This is the second hole on the driver's side, second hole back from the front. I'll turn it in my hand now. Let's see. Yep. So here we go. So now let's clean those threads up. It's doing the job right now, is it's backing out these threads. Once the first few threads cut new threads coming out, the rest of it gets a little easier. And there it goes. So that's what it looks like coming out. Can't hardly tell. Let's see if it's got any metal chips on it. There's a little bit there in the groove. There's some more there. But this tool's repairing the thread. So now I'm gonna go get the original bolt and see if it fits. Switch hands to my right hand. So let's see if this works here. Second hole from the front. Just so you know, I'm not putting it in a different hole. And there it goes, it started. A little bit rough. Put this tool on it. I'm gently turning it in with this hand tool. As you can see, it's going. A little bit tight. This better than it was. It didn't even go at all last time. And it's gone. It's in. So that makes one. I repaired one, 2, 3 over here, and then 4 and 5. So 5 done so far. As far as it goes. This bolt only tightens so far, and then this metal piece here is compressed and it doesn't turn anymore. Once it doesn't turn, this bolt gets tight quick. No sense in going any further than that. And the only thing holding the intake down is this rubber grommet. The rubber grommet is now pressing on the plastic, and that's what keeps it down on the engine. So once you feel the resistance, pretty good resistance, there's no need to tighten it anymore. You're not doing any good. So I'm going to back it out. That's a pretty nifty idea. I just wish I'd thought of it sooner so I could have marketed this thing. But like I said, somebody else has already come up that day. I just didn't know there was something out there like it. Of course, theirs is 14 millimeter and mine's 6, so it's a big difference. Well, there you go. There's 5 holes repaired. I'm fixing to do the other 5 and wrap this thing up. Thanks for watching.